Perfect. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Trisha with Insectopia, and today, sadly, this is where my leg broke off. So what we're going to do is we're going to glue this leg back on under the microscope. That sounds fun. I have my handy dandy glue here. I generally just use Elmer's glue if I've got it handy. A lot of people use tacky glue because it's already kind of sticky. Whereas I can kind of take an Elmer's bottle and squeeze out a little bit of glue and kind of put it on the side of the nozzle. And I'll actually let a little bit of glue dry until it's tacky. If I wait until it's about tacky, then I can pick up the leg with it. Alright, so we've got the glue. We're going to go in. I'm going to show us the microscope. I'm going to go in and add a little bit of glue to where the legs should be connecting. And then I'm going to take the top of my pin. I'm going to put it right here where the connection is supposed to go. I like to try and make sure that the leg stays kind of even with the next door neighbor's leg. Might be a little difficult on this specimen. There we go. Yeah! Alright, so we will let that connection dry, and then we'll be able to, well, treat our specimen even nicer, because we don't want to knock that leg off again. And that's how to glue a leg back on.